Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do division very fast. First, let's review the fundamentals. To quickly divide, you should first master your multiplication tables up to 12 times 12. This foundational knowledge is crucial for recognizing factors and multiples instantly. Next, learn to simplify complex problems by breaking down the dividend into smaller, more easily divisible numbers. This strategy makes large division problems much less intimidating and more approachable. A powerful technique for fast division is the chunking method. Instead of traditional long division, you repeatedly subtract easy multiples of the divisor from the dividend. For example, if dividing 150 by 10, you know 10 times 10 is 100. Subtract 100, leaving 50. Then 10 times 5 is 50. Subtract 50, leaving 0. Add your multiples, 10 plus 5, to get 15. This method is intuitive and reduces errors. Let's explore some mental math shortcuts to boost your division speed. To divide by 10, simply shift the decimal point 1 position to the left. For instance, 250 divided by 10 becomes 25. When dividing by 4, you can have the number twice. So, 80 divided by 4 is 40 halved, which is 20. Also, look for compatible numbers that are easy to divide, like changing 99 divided by 3 to 90, divided by 3 plus 9, divided by 3. Consistent practice is key to mastering fast division. Dedicate a few minutes each day to solving various division problems, gradually increasing their complexity. Online resources, like interactive quizzes and educational apps, can provide engaging ways to hone your skills and track your progress. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and quick division will become. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.